you looking for Victorville, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. It doesn't matter if you're already living in Victorville, California, or if you're just thinking about moving to Victorville, California. Check out this Victorville, California virtual open house home tour. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Victorville, California real estate agent with the Exp Realty. If you're a foodie and you love to cook and love to entertain, you're gonna love this huge kitchen. Nice cooktop, pancake griddle. I like the window facing the backyard. I had a lot of kids, and as I raised my kids, I always felt safe and comfortable when I was messing around in the kitchen if I could see my kids playing in a fenced-in backyard. You're gonna like this one.